What's cracking, guys? Welcome to today's problem of the day, brought to you by Subway. Subway, eat fresh. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at today's problem. The Pink Panther had the bone in his hands for 24 seconds before the caveman took it. The caveman had the bone for 2/3 as long as the Pink Panther when the dinosaur took it. The dinosaur had the bone for 5 more seconds than the caveman. How long did the dinosaur have the bone for? All right, guys, you know what time it is. That's right, it's time to pause the video so you can solve the problem. Once you finish solving the problem, go ahead and press that play button, and I will go over the answer to this bad boy for you. All right, welcome back, guys. Hopefully you were able to get a hang of this bad boy, but if not, I'm going to go over the answer right now for you so that way you can for next time. So, guys, the first thing that I take note of here is that I need to figure out how long the caveman had the bone for. And then at the end there, guys, I'm going to add 5 to whatever the caveman got, because the dinosaur, it says, had the bone for 5 more seconds than the caveman. So all I really got to do, guys, is figure out the caveman and then add 5. So not too bad, guys. I'm going to go ahead and open up a piece of paper, and I'm going to take down some important notes here. So I'm going to use my, let's use a pink pencil today. And why pink, guys? Well, that's because it's a Pink Panther problem. So it's fitting to use pink here. And guys, if I remember correctly, it says Pink Panther had it in his hands for 24 seconds. So we're going to put P equals 24 seconds. And I'm going to use orange for the caveman because he wears like that orange pant, short thing. Cloth, whatever it is. And so I'm going to put C for the caveman here, and it is 2/3 of the Pink Panther's 24 seconds. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is the dinosaur. D equals C for caveman. Let's put the C in orange there. So to figure out the dinosaur, I need to figure out the caveman and then add 5, guys. So C plus 5. C, guys, just stands for the caveman. All right, that's all these letters do in math, is they stand for unknown numbers, guys. That's it. It's nothing too fancy. All right, I'm going to grab my ruler and draw a nice picture, guys. And today I'm going to draw the picture in orange because I'm figuring it out for the caveman. He's the one that is 2/3 of 24. So I draw two parallel lines and then two lines that run perpendicular to my parallel ones, guys. All right, perfect. A nice looking picture there. And next I got to look at my, that's right, my denominator, guys. The denominator is the bottom number of my fraction, and it is 3. That means I'm dealing with thirds today, guys, thirds. I like thirds. So I'm going to start one section right here and another one right here. All right, guys, so I'm going to put my ruler away. And if I think about this, guys, here is a third, here is a third, and here is a third. So if I look at my numerator, guys, 2/3 of 24 is what the caveman got. So I'm going to be taking this 24 here and dividing it into my thirds, all right? And at the end, guys, I'm looking only at 2 out of those thirds, 2 of the boxes. So be looking at 2 of these bad boys at the end, guys, for the caveman. All right, let's go ahead and do that now. Let's take our 24 and divide it into those sections, guys. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, halfway, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, guys, 24. We hit our mark. Now let's take a look at 2 of the thirds. So here's 1, here is 2. I'm only going to count one of them because whatever's in this one is also in this one because fractions have equal amounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 there, guys. That means there's also 8 in there. I can add those 2 guys up, and that gives me 16 of those bad boys. So how long did the caveman have the bone for? Well, he had it for, looks like 16 seconds, guys. That's what we found out. So the caveman is 16 seconds, so that equals C. And now we can solve for the dinosaur, guys. So the dinosaur equals C, which we said was our 16 seconds, and plus, guys, 5. All right. Well, I know that 6 plus 5 is 11, so I'm going to put 1 there. Carry my 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 is 2. 21 seconds. All right, guys, so how long did the dinosaur have the bone for? The dinosaur had the bone for 21 seconds. So longer than the caveman, but not quite as long as the Pink Panther. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's exciting episode. And you know what? Tune in tomorrow, guys, because we have another exciting episode for you. Don't miss out. Tune in tomorrow. We'll see you then, guys. Take care.